Today, we're making something fresh, colorful, and absolutely nourishing. The Rainbow Protein Crunch Salad. Let's dive right in. First up, take 1 cucumber. Peel it if you want and dice it into small, juicy chunks. Cucumbers are low in calories and high in fiber, perfect for digestion and hydration. Next, dice up 1 onion, a flavor bomb, and a beauty booster. Onions are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that support clear skin and immunity. Next, grab a 1 carrot, peel it, and cut into small pieces or julienne. Raw carrots help lower blood pressure and cholesterol. Plus, they add that signature crunch. Add a few small pieces of jalapeno. Totally optional. But they add a spicy kick that wakes up the whole bowl. Plus, the jalapenos are great for boosting metabolism. Next, chop up a ripe tomato. Tomatoes are rich in fiber, which supports gut health and keeps digestion running smoothly. Now, let's toss in a handful of mixed nuts, like walnuts, almonds, or cashews. These are full of healthy fats and plant-based protein, essential for muscle repair, brain function, and heart health. Add a few diced or sliced dates to the mix. Dates offer natural sweetness and a chewy texture. Plus, they're packed with iron and quick energy. Time for the protein boosters. Boiled half-cup peanuts and 1 cup chickpeas for plant-based protein and fiber to keep you full and energized. Now feta cheese to add creaminess and a salty contrast. Season with salt and pepper. Now let's bring it all together with a vibrant, zesty dressing, the lemon butter cilantro dressing. In a small pan, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, then add 1 tablespoon of butter. Toss in a handful of chopped cilantro. Give it a gentle stir, let those flavors infuse. Then turn off the flame and your warm dressing is ready to go. Pour that golden, citrusy dressing all over your colorful mix and give it a gentle toss. Make sure every bite is coated with that lemony, herby magic. Pro tips: make it vegan by skipping the butter and feta and using olive oil instead. Add avocado or roasted sweet potato for extra creaminess and carbs. Store dressings separately if prepping ahead for the week. This salad is everything, bright and beautiful, packed with flavor, and ready in minutes. Whether you're looking for a light lunch, a post-workout meal, or just a feel-good bowl of nourishment, this salad checks all the boxes. Please like, share, and subscribe for more clean, colorful creations.